Happy holidays and happy new year from everyone at Westgate Manufacturing. As we close out the year, we want to take a moment to spotlight the tools and benefits innovations Westgate delivered throughout 2025, designed to help our partners move faster, work smarter, and win more business. For instance, this year, Westgate continued to raise the bar with free shipping on every order. No minimums to our WIP customers. From an 8-foot linear fixture to a small trim, everything ships at no cost. It's more than a perk. It's a real business advantage that makes every order easier, faster, and more profitable. We also launched the SCX and CMC custom builders, giving you complete creative control. Design fully customized linear and cylinder fixtures in minutes by choosing sizes, shapes, finishes, optics, mounts, and controls. Your ideas go from concept to order, faster than ever. Ordering got even easier with MyWestgate, our online dashboard that puts live pricing, real-time inventory, instant shipping quotes, and streamlined checkout all in one place. To support your projects even further, Westgate offers free lighting layouts and photometric designs. From warehouses and offices to outdoor, retail, and sign lighting, our expert team helps you plan smarter, control costs, and win more bids inside and out. All of this, combined with the many new products launched across our 2025 seasons, has made this one of the biggest and most exciting years in Westgate's history. We're incredibly excited for what's ahead in 2026, and we can't wait to continue innovating with you by our side. Happy holidays, and thank you for being part of the Westgate family. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.